Yo, it is real time. We're working out together right now with a 10-minute band, bodyweight, and bells arm blaster. Now what you need is a single resistance band, which we'll start with, a TRX suspension trainer or gymnastics rings, and a light pair of 10 to 25 pound dumbbells. We're doing a bicep and tricep superset for each of these three pieces of equipment, all right? 60 seconds on, 30 seconds off. We get started in 20 seconds. We're doing this together. Again, this is also a 10-minute circuit that has multiple progressions to it. This is round one. There's also round 2 and 3 as we get harder and mix things up from cycle to cycle. But this is a great way to start in this workout. We're gonna do band hammer curls. So you step on the band like this, get your feet about hip to shoulder width apart, thumbs up, here we go. Exhale up, inhale down. The first 30 seconds, let's go a little bit slower. Just really focus on getting full range, getting a good squeeze, arms to shoulder level. Inhale down, lock in your breath. The hammer grip, it tends to be the most joint friendly. It also isolates the brachialis muscle between the biceps and the triceps. This is your strongest, most joint friendly grip. It's a nice way to start a workout. All right, really pump it up. We're almost halfway into the set. Let's go, baby. Get those arms going. And now it's feeling good. We can start to speed it up. Let your breath drive the movement. Oh man, get a good pump. Let's go. Bands are a way to start a workout, just to flood a lot of blood. Very joint friendly. Activate, warm up, and then when we go to the harder movements, your joints are ready to go. Oh yeah. Keep a good core position. Abs tight, glutes engaged. Oh. Now, the overhead tricep extension can be challenging for some, so if you need to, modify with a triceps push down. You're much stabler and stronger in this position versus overhead. But the overhead position is key because the long head of the triceps, the big meaty portion of the triceps, is most active arms overhead because it attaches into the scapula. So that's what we're gonna try to hit with this. Here's how we grab. Now check this out. I go like this, do a little loop, grab it like this, right over the top. All right, here we go. Exhale up, inhale down. Start nice and slow the first 30. Again, range of motion focus, stretch focus, keep the abs engaged. Really hammering out those triceps. Triceps! Inhale it down, good stretch. Stay active in the core. We don't want to hyperextend that low back. Anytime we're overhead, big arm challenge here, all right? Another 5 seconds and we can try to add a little bit of speed if we can. This is a tough position though. Inhale it down, abs engaged. Here we go. At least try to go fast on the up. Oh wow, it's cooking. Cooking! Come on, baby. Anytime, anywhere, baby. Oh yeah. This is like the first 2 minutes of the workout. We're in real trouble. But we're doing it together. You can just rest. Anytime you need to rest, you rest in the stretch position. Interset stretch. It's a great way to enhance muscle gain and get a great quality pump. Here we go. Now we're going to the body weight stuff. With the TRX, the way it works, the flatter you are to the floor, the harder it is. The higher you are, the easier it is. Let's go higher, especially in this first round. And we're adding a rotational component here. So we're gonna start with biceps. So we're gonna start overhand. And again, this is, the beauty of this too is, it's full body. Particularly posterior chain, back side of the body. So I'm kind of in a bridge position here. And here we go, forearms, overhand, finish underhand. Lower and control. Only movement is through the biceps. I'm sorry, through the elbows. We can't move through the biceps. That'd be dangerous. Inhale it down. Again, abs engaged. Not every arm workout has to just be arms. This is a arm-centric workout, but the whole body is gonna end up being involved over the course of the circuit. Control it down. I like to really do a nice, slow, eccentric phase. Very good for the joints. Also, slow eccentrics tend to stimulate maximum strength and muscle gain. Oh yeah, remember to look at your work at the top. Wait, is he gonna do it? Oh, he does do it. Every time you kiss the bicep, do both sides. Increases gains by 555%. Scientifically proven. Flipping it the other way, all right? I love this 60-30 protocol. Great time under tension. allows you to kind of mix and match it up, as we'll see in subsequent rounds of this circuit. And then 30 seconds between, just enough to get a little blow. Ready, okay? And we're going bis and tris, because the triceps will rest while the biceps work, and vice versa. So we get as many sets or reps in as possible in as short of time as possible. All right, here we go. Now you want to get, ideally, again, get a little bit higher here. Hands just above the forehead level here. Now we're going to rotate through. So I finish underhand, stretch, finish overhand, and then right here, underhand. Good stretch, or even kind of pause and just own the position. It's too hard, walk up a little bit higher. Slow eccentric, again, this is like a plank. We did a bridge in the bicep curls. We're doing a plank on the triceps. Oh yeah, good stretch. That rotational action, beyond being so great for mobility and joint health, it really works the muscles to the max, because we're getting all different gripping options over the course of each rep. Oh wow, man, this is a tough move. The pump is precious. Oh, Uncle baby, come on baby, push it out. Oh yeah. Good inhale down, own it, fill the belly with air. Oh, here we go. Dumbbell time. And again, the beauty of this too is the most taxing on the joints potentially is gonna be the dead weight stuff, all right? The dumbbells allow us to strengthen and balance between sides, all right? But because we pre-fatigued with the bands and the TRX, lighter weight goes a longer way. Make lightweight feel heavy. That's how you save your joints, especially as you get older. Uncle Baby's a tender 41-year-old at the time we're recording this. Okay, we have 1.5 rep curls. Here we go. Exhale all the way up. Inhale halfway back down. Exhale back up. All the way back down. And look at how open I am here. Really get that mobility, external rotation of the shoulder. Exhale up. Inhale halfway down. Hold it briefly. Exhale back up. All the way down. 1.5 reps have you doing twice as much of the work in that top range of the exercise. Really targeting that contraction. Oh, I can taste the gains. You know what? No excuses today. Put everything that's bothering you on the outside of your workout here to the side. Be the eye in the storm. Let's get a great workout together. Oh yeah, right there. Feel it. Oh. Last rep. Now again, first time coming through, it's not gonna be perfect. You're figuring out the loads. Maybe you're coming in stressed, fatigued. You do the best you can. Try to beat your performance in subsequent times on this workout. We're going into the triceps. Also, for the triceps, we can do lying tricep extensions to make this easier. It's a much stronger position than overhead. I'm gonna go kneeling here. Tall kneel is a nice way to help the core. If you feel anything in the low back, go split kneel. That'll really help. 1.5 triceps. Here we go. All the way down. I like to but touch the upper back. Halfway back up. All the way down. Lock in your breath. Here we go. Inhale all the way down. Exhale halfway up. Inhale back down. All the way up. Let's go. Stay with it. Oh yeah. Ooh. Cashed out. Continue with one dumbbell. By the way, this is a nice modification. If that double dumbbell option was too tough. All the way down, halfway up. So really spending time in that stretch. That's where the gains are. That's where the joint health is going to be found. Those bulletproof elbows. Last one. Why not? Work through the buzzer like a real champion. All right.